just start bimbling about there and mucking about before they've had time to settle with the smoke, you will find that when you take the top off, they will ball the queen, and she will rear up and go, woo, what's going on, because she's young and daft. And the bees will jump around her
to protect her probably, but
and
they
they will
suffocate her to
superheat
death
her
instead.
and kill her.
Oh dear.
So they ball her. And if you can spot it, you can actually pull them off and put her somewhere else.
Or if you've got a horse trough handy, you can drop them onto a horse trough and you'll see her swim away.
Yeah, but that will happen if you're not careful. The older queens don't do it. The more mature they get, the more acceptable they are. They just sort of tottle about on the
Oh.
on the combs.
If we'd got aggressive bees, you'd smoke the entrances as well, because the guard bees, when they're super aggressive, come and stand at the front. We haven't got super aggressive bees, so I've just smoked underneath the back of them, so the smoke sort of wafts through.
I get dive bombed all the time by
If you've
guard
got
bees.
dive bombing bees, Susie, smoke the front as well, because that's where the worst aggressive ones will be,
I have to
sitting
walk
there
round the corner and they come
waiting
at me.
for you. Yeah.
Yes.
We do know that Susie's husband's put a higher fence than we've got. He's put a netting fence up so that the bees go up and out of Susie's way. And I know you take horses past as well, don't you? Which isn't very helpful. We think you need your bees requeening.
I think, yeah.
Right, if you want to come round behind, go through.
You can stand at the side here quite happily.
Yeah. I'm going
And
to
you
talk you
can
through
stand
the.
in the middle quite happily, and they'll go either side of you. If you stand right in front, they're very polite. They'll go and sit on your back. They'll wait for you to get out of the way.
When there's a flow on or they're into pollen, when it's a bit warmer,
But
they'll
if
be
you've got
queuing up
hair
to get
and one
in if
gets
you
in your
stand in
hair,
front.
it's very difficult not to panic and do this.
Yeah. If you come round this side, especially come round the back of me, and then you'll be able to see you. You'll be all right. One roof. The roof, this roof, is actually, if you look at it, it's shorter there than it is there. That's because it's got 50 mil of insulation in it, and it's quite heavy. So if you feel that, it's a little bit more than.
Great.
So there's a lot of roof there. Okay.
Nice place for ladybirds to hang out.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah.
They're always all harlequins.
That was a bit different. That was a two spot. There's one. So there's a fair bit of roof there. You know, some people put just a sheet of Celotex in or whatever. We've got some of the lightweight summer roofs that we sort of put Celotex in just to put them a little bit more. A stand. You want something substantive for one to be on, whether it's on blocks like this or you've got one that's got legs on it or whatever it is. You want something that will